All right, chat. What is up, chat? Welcome to the stream. Let me just adjust that real quick. Sorry, chat. All right, what is up, chat? Welcome to the stream. Today is day 78 of live day trading NASDAQ futures. Today I still have today is day 3 of PJ Trade's 1 trade a day challenge for 21 days. Following from the past 2 days, which I've started, 2 days, 2 losses, 2 trades. Today's day 3. Okay, bang. So let's have a look at what we've got today so far. Essentially, what I'm looking at is I am looking at this long here. Now this I'm actually getting a bit of a too tight of a stop loss. I think this is the last time I'll scale in here. But as we can see here, price is clearly bullish all day. I'll quickly mark up the Asia highs and lows as I continue this trade. There's about 5 minutes left on the 15-minute candle. This, I believe, right here is the 10th, right? So this right here is Asia lows. Asia lows, okay, and I believe this here is London lows. Okay, so essentially I have shorted here at this 15-minute failed break of structure model. So as you guys can see here, price has had a bullish move up, came back, tested this Asia low area, pushed through, made a break of structure yet again, okay, and has now come back into this 15-minute low, or the Asia low, London low. So I've just swept it now, and we're going to see over the next few minutes whether it respects these lows or continues the trend upwards. Now we are almost at, chat, we are almost at all-time highs. So this is where all-time highs is about 24,100, 24,071. We're about a couple $100 off. We're about $200 off from all-time highs. So it'll be interesting to see. Now, as you guys can see here on the 3 minute, I have tightened my stop loss a bit here. I could have definitely taken some off the table, which I might do now actually. Chat, I am taking 5 micros off the table here. There it is. Just to secure some profits for the day. Okay. Now that I've taken profits off the table, I am moving to break even. I'm going to avoid, I'm going to just take a few more. Okay, there we go. I've taken 8 micros off the table, okay? And making sure my stop loss is at break even. So worst case scenario, I'll be up a bit for today. So far, this is going well. The reason why, you know, I'm liking this trade is it's been respected twice. So failed break structure model here came back, respected it, came back here, swept it, and the second I saw some signs of instability or rejection. So if we look at my actual execution itself, as you can see, I actually entered off of this minute candle right here before. Let me just average it out. Let me take it back. 88.550 is the lowest. I got 88.550. So there is my initial entry, and that was my stop loss that I moved it to during the trade. Look, I might actually just, I'm closely monitoring this trade here. I might take it off easy or early. Really depends. I've got to monitor this trade closely, chat. I want to make sure that it is not going to quickly reverse me. I will take profit if it goes below this candle here. Goes below this wick here, I'm taking profit. It's struggling to push through. This is 5 seconds left on this 1 minute. 3 seconds left on this 1 minute. Okay, it's pushing through, which is good. Great pressure. I'm gonna move to the 5 minute now, and just monitor that one closely. Okay. Now, ultimately, because this is a 15-minute because this is a 15-minute pro trend continuation, I could technically could technically aim for really external, I mean, yeah, that protected structure up there, but really, am I going to be the guy that catches 136 points bottom working this? Nah, come on. I only want my small piece of the pie and I'm out. As you can see here, prices trickling down as well. And not to forget, not to mention, this tweezer top, okay, on the 4 hour, it's pretty hard. And there's only 16 minutes left of this candle, or the 4 hour candle. So I might look at actually taking price actually really soon. Actually, I think it might be the wave to really take it somewhere now. Yeah, look, I'm taking it off now. Okay, that's all right. I'm happy with that trade. I made back my last 2 days in losses today, which is great. Okay, chat. Let's just have a look. Where was the exit? 982.25. Awesome. Look, that's it. 2.79 risk to reward. Made back yesterday's losses and then some. Just a bit extra, and I didn't want to stay in there too long. Look, I'm not aiming for this the moons here. Got my little scalp. Got my great risk to reward. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. I think that's good. Yeah. So not a bad trade, and this is across my 5 50k fundeds. As you can see, across my 5 50k fundeds, we are about 3% up, all up. You just need another. Yes, we just need another 3%. We just need another 3% to pass the challenge. Brain fart. Okay. So yeah, that was pretty good. One trade a day, sticking to my plan, tight stop loss, good risk management. That is it for today's session. Thank you so much for watching.